Campeones! Campeones! Ole! Ole! I am literally dying, man! I'm literally dying! Oh my god! I've waited for 3 years! 3 years, man! 3 years of waiting, man! 3 years! And tonight we get it! Champions of Spain 2020! Get in!
Yeah, that tiny celebration episode did not end well, let me be honest. I was shouting and my dad walked in and he... But it is what it is. Real Madrid won their 34th La Liga title. What can I say? It's just what it is. Anyway, this video will not be me talking about the Villarreal game. This will be a testimonial video for winning the La Liga. This is going to be one of those videos where I'm not going to shout that much. Based on a pecking order that my mind runs into, I'm just going to roll through all those players who have been phenomenal throughout the season and also credit those people who have been a key integral part of this success. Speaking of which, from the top start Sergio Ramos and Casemiro, man, the two most important players of Real Madrid. These people literally put everything on the line, the heart on the line, everything. They play like warriors every game. And unfortunately, they can't afford to make mistakes even a single game, because if they do, it's done. It's game over for them. And it's game over for the team as well. So to perform that consistently, it just is a warm feeling, man. And also, I very highly credit Karim Benzema for carrying this team on the offensive side of the game, man. This man has been the sole goal scorer of the team and also went head to head against Messi for the Pichichi award this season. If not for Ramos taking each and every penalty for Real Madrid, Benzema would have won the Pichichi. But Benzema has to be credited, man. He's like one of those MVPs alongside Casemiro and Sergio Ramos, man. Imagine what Real Madrid would have been without Karim Benzema's contribution, not only on the goal scoring part of it, but overall team play. If there's any complete Real Madrid player that I've seen over the past years, it's only Karim Benzema. People always talk about how Champions League is a bigger thing than the league, but the fruits of success that you get from consistency, man, I don't think that should be negligible in any way, man. Let me be honest. Even Jose Mourinho said it in the past, Zinedine Zidane said it in the past, that the league is the most toughest thing to win because of how consistent you should be. I'm not saying knockouts are easy, knockouts have their own difficulty level. You have obviously tougher teams playing in the knockouts. This is the Champions League I'm talking about, by the way. Performing week in, week out, you think that's easy? I don't understand why people discredit the league even now, but that's not easy to do. Elderly players like Luka Modric and Marcelo at the club, who are said to be declining in this season. But Luka Modric and Marcelo, man, at the end of the season, especially post-lockdown period, they have silenced each and every one, man. Not a single person, any of you can tell me that Modric and Marcelo have to be sold right now. At one point of the season, it did feel like they had to be sold. It did feel like they were running out of time. But Real Madrid is just that club, man, so passionate. Always trying to stand in for the values that the club holds for. And the players have done a phenomenal job in showing their fans what they are truly made of and what this club truly represents. And there will not be a single day when I stop believing in this team. And also, I'd like to give a massive shout out to all the youngsters that have shown up this season, man. I'd like to start off with someone like Fede Valverde, man. At one point of the season, people were like, who's Fede Valverde? Who is he? Well, you know now. You truly know who he is now. People were like, bring Paul Pogba, the guy who's supposed to fix all our problems to aid our aging Luka Modric. Well, guess what, fam? Luka Modric ain't finished yet, and Fede Valverde is just getting into his zone. Massive shoutouts to Vinicius Jr. and Rodrigo Goes. Yes, they have their own problems, but the development that they have shown, the youngsters' narrative of Real Madrid truly shows why we are in construction mode and how good we are at it. And the world isn't ready yet, man. The world isn't ready yet. We are about to dive into much more. I'm also going to talk about the summer signings that we've had this season. Eden Hazard, Luka Jovic and Forlan Mondi. I feel really bad for Eden Hazard and Luka Jovic because they couldn't really show what they were truly made of. Unfortunately, Hazard has had the worst setback in the history of football, man. Maybe that's a bit of an overstatement, but getting injured thrice in the same season, that messes with your confidence big time, man. And I truly appreciate the fact that he actually came back to play post lockdown, to be honest. And speaking of Luka Jovic, he's done his shit, man. He's been at fault several times, but again, he didn't get too many minutes as well. And I do hope that he pulls his socks over for next season and truly shows why he was a 60 million signing for Real Madrid. Speaking of Forlan Mondi, man, Forlan Mondi has been the breakout signing of the season across all clubs, by the way. The honorary heir to the left back position is safe with Forlan Mondi. I'm just so proud of this team. Winning La Liga just makes me very emotional. To being called the AC Milan of 2018-19 to winning the La Liga in 2020 means a lot. And yeah, after all of this, I hope to go back to my regular sleeping schedule once again, man. I've been awake till 4 to 4:30 a.m. every time there's a Real Madrid or when there's a Barcelona match just to make good content for you guys. And I think right now I can take some rest when it comes to my sleeping schedule for sure. To simulate alcohol, I even brought apple juice, man. Can I show that? Okay, you get the idea. Shit. Real Madrid winning league number 34 has been one of the best days of my life. And I do hope to see much more in store from this team, man. And all the Madridistas, you've earned yourself an apple juice drink. Take care.